Hello, my English 3 students. I wanted to give you a little bit more information on how to do some of your assignments. So if you see here, I am at Module 1, which will be your very first assignments. When I click on Module 1, Life-Changing Innovations, you need to make sure you do each activity in order. The first ones, where it has a square here, means that you need to read this information. So you would read 1.01, so you click on this, and it even tells you the assignment will show off your new powers by completing a brief quiz related to the text content. So then you click the arrow to go to the next page. It tells you your objective. And if you continue clicking the arrow, you'll see that there's 12 pages. So you'll need to read this information first. Once you've done all 12 pages, then you'll go to 1.02. At 1.02, again, you see there's 1 out of 9. You will read all 9 pages. And there's not a lot of text to read on each page, but it's giving you information that's going to then assist you to do the quiz. So after you've read for 1.01 and 1.02, you'll then take this quiz, 1.02, What is a Theme? When you're ready to start the quiz, you'll click on it. On the bottom right, you press Start, and then you begin the quiz. After you've taken this quiz, then you can go to 1.03. Again, read the information here on 1.03. You'll see there's 1 out of 22 pages. Then you'll take the quiz 1.03, Moving a Story Forward. Please make sure you're doing each activity in order. After you take the quiz for 1.03, you go to 1.04. Again, read the information on each page. Now, this one's very important. If you see right here, it says Sneak Preview. This is going to give you an overview of what you need to do for your assignment. So if you click on Sneak Preview, it will then open a new window that'll say you will read the story. So in 1.04, you're going to read a story, analyze how the theme develops in the story. Also, here's the grading rubric. If you click where it says grading rubric, it will open up to a rubric that'll show you how I'm going to grade you for this assignment. Also, on the sneak preview, it will then tell you you're going to complete a worksheet. Now, to open the worksheet, you will click on 1.04 worksheet. So if you click here, the worksheet will then open. So for 1.04 assignment, this is a story you're going to read. You will read this story, and then at the end, you're going to complete this graphic organizer, as well as telling me what the setting, the protagonist, the rising action, the climax, the falling action, and the resolution is, and then write a 1-paragraph summary of the story that explains the theme, the reefs. So it's all based on this story that you read. Now remember, I got to here by clicking on Sneak Preview. You can also get to here by going to 1.04, How a Theme Develops. Now this is where you're going to turn in that graphic organizer and paragraph. So 1.04 here, click on Sneak Preview. This instruction right here tells you how to complete the worksheet, but you'll need to open the worksheet, read the story, complete the graphic organizer, tell me the setting, the protagonist, the rising action, the climax, the falling action, the resolution, and then write how does the theme develop. Write a 1-paragraph summary of the story that explains how the themes develops. Once you finish that, you will then click on 1.04, How a Theme Develops, click Show Dropbox, and insert the graphic organizer and paragraph here, and then hit Submit. Then you can continue on to reading 1.05, which is just reading, 1.06. You can then take the quiz for 1.06, read 1.08, take the quiz for 1.08, 1.09 you read, then take a quiz, and then 1.10, again, here's a written activity. For this one, again, click the sneak preview. It gives you the rubric, and here there's a document you need to click on, Robots on Earth. Again, you're going to be reading this story, Robots on Earth, and then after you read it, it tells you right here that you need to write the summary of the article. Make sure you read all these bullets and you include this when you're writing your summary. To submit your summary, you will click on 1.10, hit Show Dropbox, and enter your summary into this Dropbox. You'll attach it here in this Dropbox. And that is how you will complete the assignments for Module 1, Life-Changing Innovations. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me or send me a message on Skype.